Big up everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on Jamaican Chat. And everybody want to take the time frame to thank Father God for life, because you don't know life are the greatest. And we're gonna just jump in here real quick everybody. There's a big trial going on right now, the whole Klansman trial, and the major witness Sir P actually called him C4, and the C4 wrote a letter to Sir P, right? He didn't just write a letter to Sir P, he wrote a letter to the Prime Minister, and I think it was the DPP, and also to Sir P, right? So I'm just gonna run the intro real quick, and then I'm gonna hear how Sir P responded to him. You understand? So the letter is really basically about because you know that he is going through right now, he's in protective custody, right? So he's just explaining what is happening, and it sound like him feel like he maybe want to run out protective custody, and Sir P basically I tell him say, you know, don't leave, you have to stay strong and all of them. So I'm gonna run the intro real quick people, then we're gonna hear the whole snippet what Sir P have to say, and then we're gonna come back right here. So
has to be the people who actually have the powers. CTAC officers can only protect C4, them can't actually make nothing happen. That is how the Prime Minister drop in. That is how the Minister of National Security drop in. The big wigs them drop in. This whole heap don't know, so make you know, we are going to see that is not acceptable. And as far as I'm concerned, this is much bigger than even how C4 described it, because at no point it must suggest that there is any kind of spooky plans are going on. So. But this not sit right with me. This entire trial don't sit right with me. From what I hear from the judge, from what I see with the prosecution, nowhere it is some C4, the star witness, the witness protection program is the backbone to all of them cases where them a bill. There is no anti-gang trial without witnesses. You see, all throughout the trial, I've been saying it. When you hear people are asked for the star witness get prosecuted, for the star witness get charged, that is going to deter other people from sinking these gangs, going forward and becoming like C4 and the banker. And I was saying it don't make sense. And the more I hear things, now even from C4 himself in this letter, it definitely not makes sense. This whole thing is looking like smoke and mirrors. Throughout the trial, nothing when I say, let me say, they can't serious. Surely nobody is that incompetent. Nobody can be that ignorant to basics. Basics we are talking about. But they don't me solicit C4. I start to wonder if them really want people go think them gang. Can't be. We don't miss in the trial, and can't be what I'm seeing from C4. But this can be fixed. Your favorite leaders have the ability to fix this. And when they do, you'll be seeing the video right here on this platform. Now, I know C4 and the bank are listening. I'm not even going to pretend to imagine what you're going to go through, but don't leave the program. Because that is probably what they want to happen. Get frustrated, get depressed, kiss your teeth, so you can't live like that. Left the program, and next thing you know, we hear say something I'm told you. You see, the reason I say that is because nobody dies when they're on the program. But people often get fed up, leave, and then we're dead. So especially C4, I know it's been years. Think about your wife, think about your youth them. Think about the people them that support you. It might not seem like it, but enough people supporting you. People from all over Spanish Town. People from the community where you come from. Message me all the time. I say, I'm proud of you and I'm glad to see you do what you do. Because that was the only time them seen a real peace in a Spanish Town. So, let's go and hold on upon it. And I don't know the PIA there, so supporting the same way right through. But it's a big wigs, it's over to now.
alright my people, Alright. That are the little clip we're gonna use, everybody. And as I said, for the full video or for the full audio, you can go over Politricks Watch, over Sir P page, and check out the full thing. Him informative every day, him upload a video. So just go over him channel, everybody, subscribe, check him out. And more likely anybody who will listen to that video already subscribed to Sir P channel. So let's not get ahead of myself. But anyway, everybody, I hope everybody stayed on and listened to that clipping there, and you'd see exactly what's happening. And as I say, if you listen to the full thing over on Politricks Watch, then we can have a better conversation. Because it can be frustrating for the inner protective custody. I think him I describe, and I say, from the whole ordeal, him child no go school, none at all. So say the child I miss out a lot. Him wife not happy, him not happy. So say all of that can make you feel like you want to walk off of the program. But we need to remember, say, if you walk off of the program, chief, you're not guaranteed to keep your life, because this is a life and death situation. Something serious actually are going. You understand? Plus, as them say, the statistics shows no one has ever died while being on the program. So yeah, we have to just recommend say stay up on the program, yeah, chief. You understand? Everybody, you don't know what going on. This is Jamaican Chat. This is our vlog for the day, everybody. So please like, share, subscribe. The subscription, it a go, people. Make we continue, make it go up. Let's not stop. Let's not pause. Let's continue to get the positive word out there. Alright? Thank you so much for joining me today, everybody. Bless up. Have a wonderful and productive day, everybody. Thank you.